Mogaruruku meeru maratanywo gwikirwo kirore gukinyiria muthia-ini wa kiumia giki. Kamiti thuranire ya Mbunge githagania Mogaruruku mugwanja hari Mogaruruku maria kiama kia Jubilee kirenda matafanirio watho-ini ucio wa githurano. Maabitha iebc aria maga hamwe na magi gwikira kirore fomu cia maumirira riu magitanywo kuhurwo faini ya nginya ciringi milioni 2 na kiho kia nginyagia miaka 5. Mogaruruku-ini magi makinyanirio ni kamiti yo thuranire arite no nginyagia muikiriri gito wa kamiti ya iebc akorwo ari wakiri mugarunarire ria kiama kia Jubilee hau kabere. Ona munini wa muikiriri gito wa iebc watho ucio wekirwo kirore agikorwo na mahinya otama munene wake kugikinyanira muikiriri gito ndariho. One kumana na kweheria wira kwa muikiriri gito wa kamiti ya iebc kana kwa ukorwo wira-ini.
I propose a question which is that clause 7 be part of the bill.
Maabitha iebc ningi makiendekana kuneana fomu cia maumirira kiumbe hamwe na gutuma maumirira macio na njira cia ukinyaniria wa kiriu. Kamiti no ningi kiendekithia muikiriri gito wa iebc kwanirira muhotani ona mbere ya kwamukira maumirira mothe kugikinyanira maumirira maria maitigarite matigucenjia na njira nene maumirira ma muthia.
This is, Mr. Speaker, for clarity, so that when you say manually, what does it really mean? But when you talk of physical delivery, it means, Mr. Speaker, the Form 34A will be delivered from the polling station or the constituency tallying center to the national tallying center.
Chair, I believe that's a very good clarification and I wish to support the amendment.
Ona ngurani nini hari maumirira ma muthia ndingicungiriria gutenerio kwa githurano Mogaruruku macio ma gihitukio.
The outcome in totality, does it substantially affect the results? If not, technicality should not be what we are looking for. We should be looking for the substance. And I thank the chairman and the committee for having brought up this amendment.
So that people don't just sit and wait to look at technicality, so that now they get a reason for invalidating election results.
Kiama kia Jubilee giikaro-ini kia Mbunge ni gigikiagithia kiene kweheria kwa Raila Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka hitaitwo-ini ya tariki 26 mweri uyu.
To my knowledge, until yesterday, Raila Odinga and Kalonzo Musyoka are alive. To my knowledge, they have all died. And God forbid they don't die. They are good leaders, they are men and we respect. So, that withdrawal, Mr. Speaker, is not here, neither there.
Mogaruruku maya makoretwo makiriganwo na moni mwaho wa NASA uria ugite Mogaruruku macio ni mugaru wa watho. Grifotera Inoro TV ritora kona masharia wa gashuru.
Gishimu